Business Calculus, topic 3.3. We want to take the derivative of this function, problem number 7. And I first want to convert all these roots into powers. So this will be f of x equals the quantity x minus 1 all to the 1/2 power plus x to the 1/2 power all raised to the third. Now when we start taking derivatives of this using first the chain rule, this will be my inner function right here. So we'll have 3 times the outer function, or inner function. Let's see, the derivative of the inner function will be x minus 1 to the 1/2 plus x to the 1/2. And then 3 becomes 2. Okay, this is the derivative of the outer function. Then times the derivative of the inner function. Right there. This will be the derivative of the inner function. Okay, so from here, 3 times the quantity x minus 1 to the 1/2 plus x to the 1/2 all squared. Okay, now starting the process of the derivative here. The derivative of this will be x minus 1 to the 1/2, and I need to take a derivative of that individually, plus the x to the 1/2. I need to take a derivative of that individually. Okay, on the inside, derivative this, derivative this. Okay, let's rewrite all this. Okay, using the derivative of this is a function. X minus 1 is a function. Therefore, I'm going to use a chain rule on this. So that'll be 1/2 times x minus 1, and then the new power will be 1/2 minus 1, which is negative 1/2, and then times x minus 1 derivative, which is from the chain rule. This x to the 1/2 is going to be 1/2 x to the negative 1/2. Okay. So no chain rule needed for that, but chain rule is needed for the x minus 1. Okay, now let's go back and let's begin to do a little cleaning here, algebraic cleaning. Rewrite all this. Okay, the derivative of the x minus 1 is actually 1. So what we have here, so we have a denominator of 2, a denominator of x minus 1 because of the negative here. The 1 will be the numerator, and this 1 will be in the numerator. So we have numerators of 1, denominator will contain the 2 and the x minus 1. Now this x minus 1 is raised to the 1/2 power, so that will be a root. Okay, here the 1 is going to be in the numerator, the 2 will be in the denominator, and the x, because of the negative, will be in the denominator. So 1 in the numerator, a 2 in the denominator, and x in the denominator as well. This 1/2 also becomes a root, and this is our result. See this little 2 here. Oh, I need to turn those into roots as well. So let's go back and keep converting everything into roots. So 3 in our parentheses. Here's my root for the x minus 1 plus my root for my x to the 2nd power. And this becomes 1 over 2 times the root of x minus 1 plus 1 over 2 times the root of x. Alright, and this is my final result.